Alright, I'm just gonna do a test here, and I'm gonna try to quickly explain how I made this Toon shader in Solaris. This is a project that I've been developing where I'm testing different features of the Toon shader. It renders really fast even if I set it up at 4K. So I have it here in different phases, like a different stage. So stage 1 is what I'm gonna teach you in this video. I'm not gonna dive deep in the explanation because otherwise it's gonna take too long. So I'm just gonna go through all the nodes that I use for it. Like the final version looks like this. It comes with, it looks like this. So this is all the different, let's say, features, and this is like the base. And these are different additions that I've added throughout the time and testing stuff. I'm just gonna put some music and then start building up the Toon shader. If you want me to go in depth with the proper explanation and also make more videos with the extra features, I'm only gonna do it if I see people interested in the comments. Otherwise, I'm just gonna be this, and I'm gonna put in the market the full material. Thank you.